Hey everyone, I'm back again with another small project I did for myself. For a while, I had been passing by this small trunk someone removed from the garden and had thrown it in the street. So I decided to bring it back with me with the hope of giving it another life. After some assessment, I decided to cut it into two parts as I felt like the base had its own character underneath all that bark. I took my time cleaning it, removing all the loose bark and soil. The more I cleaned it, the more potential I saw in it. For the trunk, I decided to make a lamp, but I wanted to set it in cement, so I drove some screws into the base to act as anchors in the cement. I took off the top as I wanted to give it an angle. I wanted to pass a rope through the wood, so I drilled a hole and progressively made it larger. I marked where I wanted the support for my bulb holder to sit and made a hole for it. After mixing the cement, I put in 2 layers of gravel and a wire mesh between them. I propped it up with the tripod and got to the other pieces. I didn't really want to alter this piece, so I polished it as it was. I made a small recess in the smaller piece that I cut off from the top end of the lamp, which eventually became a small decoration. By the next morning, the cement had settled and I was back at it. Passed a wire through some rope and passed it through the hole. Setting it in place. And after a nice trim, we have our lamp ready. Well, this was fun for me as I really didn't want to let the trunk go to waste. On top of that, the lamp really did turn out very nice. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe, and please never let anything go to waste.